Hey everyone, welcome back to Taste of Teranga. So today I'm making a big steak. I kept it simple so the flavor really stands out. For the ingredients we need beef steak and mix it of seasoning like black pepper, salt, oregano leaves, all my favorite spices. Let's go guys! Before seasoning, I add olive oil directly on the steak so the seasoning sticks better and the steak stews nicely. Now it's time to add the seasoning all around the steak and take your time, don't rush. Rub it really good because it has to be seasoning well, and we have to do same thing on both sides. Okay, now turn your steak and add the olive oil, but it's me, I don't know how you cook your steak, but yeah, let me know on the comment. Okay, and what spices do you use? For me, my favorite spices are black pepper, salt, oregano leaves, garlic powder, onion powder, all my favorite spices. Okay, and I let it sit for a couple minutes before I pass it on the pan, and it's really easy and don't take me much time. See you guys. Alright guys, let's add some oil on the pan, just a little bit, okay, and let it be hot so we can place our steak. Now the pan is hot, let's place our steak. Listen to that sizzle, that's exactly what you want. This is a pig steak. I let it cook slowly to stay juicy inside. Let's add some garlic. I love the taste of garlic on my steak, but you can add thymes, any kind of taste you want on your steak. Okay, now let's flip it, okay, and let it cook too slowly on the other side. And look at that texture, I love it, and it smells really good. Let's add some onions. It is optional, but it will give it a taste of smoke. Okay, and I add the rest of my seasoning too. Our steak is ready. I let it rest, okay, for a couple minutes so I can slice it, and it's time to serve. See you guys. Ta-da! This is our steak plate. The meat is tender and served with lettuce, boiling eggs, and garlic bread. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.